Hi, I'm Aaron Style from Gardening with Style on Iowa PBS. Orchids like these are a great way to brighten up drab winter days, and moth orchids are all over stores this time of year. Care for these plants are simple, but it looks different than other houseplants. To start, we have to protect them from the cold. The flowers are the first things to fall off if they get too cold. Wrap plants up to protect them from those cold drafts and transport them from the store to a warm car to your home as quickly as possible. When it comes to a location in your home, place them in bright indirect light and in cooler temperatures. Intense light will cause the flowers to fade more quickly, and cool temperatures will help extend the bloom length. It's not uncommon for moth orchids like these to be in bloom for several months. Finally, watering orchids looks different than watering other houseplants because they're grown in a different media. Rather than potting soil, they're grown in a coarse bark or coarse sphagnum moss mixture. This holds the perfect amount of water and air for the orchid's roots, but it behaves differently than potting soil when it comes to watering. Check the soil on a regular basis. When it feels dry, water it. If it feels damp, wait. If you're questioning it, wait one more day. Take the plants to the sink and thoroughly wet the entire media, making sure all the excess water drains out and that the plants are never allowed to sit in trays full of water. Join me Saturday, February 20th at 2 for more Gardening with Style on Iowa PBS.